Let's take a look at how you can find and respond to feedback that's been left for you on Google Classroom. Before we get started, I just want to mention that this is different than finding feedback or comments that have been left for you specifically in things like Google Docs or Google Slides. We are only focusing on Google Classroom for right now. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is how to find comments that have been left for you on an image that you have submitted to Google Classroom. So let's go ahead and open on this image that this student submitted on Classroom. At first glance, it looks like no comments have been left. However, in this view, comments are not visible. To check to see if you've been left any comments by your teacher, we want to go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right corner. Once you do that, click on Open in New Window. In this view, we can see that there is a comment that has been left. Now, in case you've been left many comments, what you can do is you can actually click on a comment and it'll actually highlight a certain area of the page that your teacher wants you to look at. Unfortunately, there's no way to leave a comment in response. However, you can always email your teacher or use the private comments in Classroom to respond to what your teacher has said to you. The second way to find feedback on Classroom is through the private comments. Teachers will leave you comments to let you know what you've done correctly or perhaps what you've done incorrectly in your work. You should always respond to feedback and make sure that you are fully understanding what your teacher is trying to explain to you. Here, when you read your comment, you can always respond by leaving a post in return. You can type something in and click post. Your teacher will get a notification that you have responded to their comment and they will respond back to you. And that's all there is to it. So what you're going to do next is you're going to go back to Classroom and you're going to read part 3 for the next step.